Namaste student, myself Javin Anshika Kushwaha, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Department of Food and Biotechnology, from subject Microbial Technologies. Today's session is Technology of Production of Beer. So, in beer technology, beer production, what is ethanol? We will first of all discuss. So, what are their properties? It also referred as ethyl alcohol, and its chemical formula is CH3CH2OH, and its molecular weight is 4.46.07 grams. Ethanol is an alcohol. It is colorless, clear liquid, and slight odor. It dilute aqueous solution, has relatively sweet flavor, but when concentrated, it has a burning taste. So ethanol it is used as antifreeze and automobile radiator. It is used to make several types of alcohol. It is used to burn in automobile engines like gasoline. So now we will discuss beer production. In this, raw materials is malt. Malt is one of the main ingredient and is obtained from barley, which is subjected to a process of germinator under controlled condition. This operation called malting causes toward the one end of the production process and the development of carbohydrate and nitrogenous substances by the enzyme formed during the germination process. It varying condition during the malting process allows different types of malt to be obtained, giving different colors and flavor to the beer. Next is barley. Other malted cereals are barley. Normally used corn is very common. The oil is extracted, then it is milled and called grits. Barley, rice, or wheat may also be used. These cereals are used to reduce the percentage of protein in the wort. Next raw material is hops, Humulus lupulus. The hop is an aromatic plant, gives beer its flavor and bitterness. It contributes to the formation of a good froth and protects the beer against contamination by microorganisms. Today, extract from this plant is used industrially obtained in such a way as preserve its qualities. Hop varieties are classified in terms of bitterness and flavor, which vary according to the amount of raisins essential oil they contain. Next is what is production process. In this way, preparation of wort. The first phase of the process of beer production is preparation of wort. This process has four steps. First is milling and malting. In this order, malt component are rapidly extracted and converted. The malt is milled, obtain coarse flour. Then mashing. The flour from the cereals is mixed with water. The next step is filtration of wort. After mashing, the whole volume is filtered in order to separate the spent grains. Then fourth step is boiling the wort. The diluted and filtered wort is boiled for around 2 hours. Hops are adding at this stage. The purpose of boiling is to transform and make soluble, sterilize the wort, and so many. Then next, what is fermentation? During fermentation, the wort sugar are converted by the transformation of yeast into the alcohol and carbon dioxide. So next in maturation process, the phase after fermentation, it comes. Then stabilization, it consists letting the beer stabilize at the temperature of between 0.0 degrees Celsius to -2. Then next qualification of beer, then bottling of the beer. The final stage of the production of beer is transferring the beer into different kinds of container like beer barrels and cans. So this is all about the beer production process. If you have any query, you can write down in comment section. Thank you, students.